YouTubers, Speedy Solves here, and today I'm going to be doing a time-lapse of the 3x3. Now it's pretty short, of course, because I can solve it pretty fast, but still, I wanted to make a pretty cool video because it's really cool to look at and see how it's, like, done, I guess. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so that turned out pretty good, so I might do another one and try to do it as slow as I can. So here, I'm going to try to do it as slow as I can. So here you go. So, also, before I do this one, I'm not trying to go that fast because I can obviously solve it pretty fast, but I think it's going to take up too little time, so I'm just going to do it really, like this one I'm going to do really slow. Alright, so now that's mixed up, I'm going to do it. Go. Alright, so for that last one, instead of using Friedrich method or CFOP, I used F12, layer by layer, so that's why that last one took longer than the first one. And I tried to go really slow. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, like this video and subscribe and comment, please. I need some suggestions, so like go on the bottom to the comments and just talk and tell me what I should do next. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.